How you can calibrate your GE top-load washer. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, unplug the washer for about 1 minute, then plug it back in and wait until the lights or panel respond. Once the washer is ready, press and hold the start button. While holding start, turn the cycle knob counterclockwise about 7 clicks. You will hear a beep and see the lights flash. That means you're in diagnostic mode. This matches what GE's field service details describe for getting into service mode. Now, once you're inside the diagnostic mode, you can clear error codes. Just turn the knob until only the second LED light is on, then press the start button. That will clear any stored codes, and once codes are cleared, turn the knob until the 6th light is illuminated and press start again. This will start the calibration or rebalance test. The washer will spin and shift to measure drum balance and load detection. This calibration step is helpful if the washer is shaking or you moved it recently. After test is done, exit diagnostic mode. Turn the knob 1 click in any direction, then press and hold the start button for 3 seconds. The lights will turn off and the washer is back to normal mode. And that's it. That's how you can calibrate your GE top-load washer.